guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to play Vacation Study. And so, let's get into it. Oh my god, there's a Bacon's Only. I am definitely going to get rid of this one. Bacon's Only, only Bacon's zone. Nope, Softy 2. Nope, Softy 2. Bro, I am not going to stay in only Bacon's. Like, I love Bacon's. Like, bro, I'm not tight. This is my seat. Hi, I got 1A. Get my seat. This is my seat. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. And this is Juice Cutting Speaking. We are taking off now. So please, and most importantly, enjoy your flight. I'm at boat! I love looking at the window. Find your seat. Oh my god, the girl is right behind me. I'm so happy. Find your seat before take off. And if you don't find your seat, you'll die. So get your seat! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, she left. So that must be the monster who goes on the plane and it crashes and we need to get off. Because the health where my jump button is, at the bottom. Right. I didn't know it. That is my hell. Well, that girl actually had a seat. Oh my god, I need my meds soon. Okay. Hello, passengers. We are now cruising to feel free to get over your Yay! Oh my god, they got to sit in first class. Lucky. This is the pilot. This is the bathroom. I need the bathroom, cookies. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm getting scared. I think I should get back in my seat. I want to be with someone. Right. Just get more seats. I'm writing something, guys. Ah! Oh, is that down? No, did you hear that, guys? Abba. Monster. Ah! Oh my god. Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna die. 23 people. I am still at 100 thing. Guys, I'm still at 100 health. We are going to be serving some pizza. I can't fix this. Can I just... We would like everyone to return to their seats. Thank you. I'm scared. Alright guys, come back for part 2. Love y'all.